In today's rapidly evolving world, smart buildings are no longer a luxury. They're the standard. From lighting to HVAC, automation is reshaping how we design and manage structures. And guess what? Revit is at the center of this transformation. Smart building automation integrates technology into a building's core systems, lighting, security, climate control, and more, to make them intelligent, adaptive, and efficient. It's all about making buildings more responsive, sustainable, and easier to manage. Revit isn't just for modeling walls and doors. With BIM, you can embed smart data directly into your design. From specifying sensor placements to linking with MEP systems, Revit provides a foundation for smart automation. What makes Revit truly powerful is how it integrates with smart building platforms like KNX, BACnet, and others through IFC or Dynamo. You can create logic-driven models that simulate behavior, export data, and collaborate with automation consultants seamlessly. Using Revit for smart automation helps you reduce energy usage, enhance occupant comfort, increase building lifespan, deliver smarter designs faster. Smart buildings start with smart design, and Revit is your tool to build the future. Start integrating automation into your BIM workflows today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Revit and BIM content.